Singapore Work Visa Process, July 2025, Eligibility Requirements and Application Process. Singapore is a leading vacation spot for global professionals, skilled people, and marketers. Recounted for its corporation friendly surroundings, high standard for living, and gift day infrastructure, Singapore continues to attract know how from around the world. In case you are planning to work in Singapore in 2025, you need to understand the whole work visa manner, including the sort of visa to be had, eligibility criteria, required files, and the method. In this video, we will be able to offer a detailed step with aid of step manual on the Singapore running visa techniques in easy and clear to examine language. Whether or no longer you are utilizing it from remote places or already in Singapore, this guide will help you with all of the crucial facts. Singapore working visa. Singapore offers various varieties of working visa depending on your career, qualifications, and salary. The maximum common kinds of work visa passes include 1. Employment skip for expert managers, executives who earn a set of monthly income and meet positive qualification. S bypass for mid-professional employees along with technicians with relevant diplomas and practical experience. Work permit for semi-skilled or low-skilled people, in particular in the creation, manufacturing, marine, and home working sectors. Enterpass for overseas marketers seeking to begin a commercial enterprise in Singapore. Customized employment bypass for high earning experts who need extra flexibility in switching jobs. The application method, necessities, and validity vary depending on the form of visa. This video will specifically focus on the most common used visa. 1. Employment skip and S-Pass. However, it can also touch on other options briefly. Who desire a visa in Singapore. If you are an overseas national and desire to work in Singapore, you want a valid work visa, also known as work skip. Without a legitimate pass, it is illegal to work within the country. Even short term assignments normally require the proper authorization, except that you fall under an exemption scheme. Kinds of Singapore working visa in 2025. There are five types of working visa in Singapore. 1. Employment skip, that is for overseas specialists, managers, and bosses. The minimum earnings requirements may apply. Appropriate for degree holders with applicable experience, valid for 1 to 2 years and renewable. Number 2. S bypass. This is for mid-professional workers, including technicians. Applicants must have a degree or technical certification legitimate for up to 2 years and renewable. Number 3. Working permit. This is for semi professional employees in sectors like productions, homework, and others. No minimal salary, however, quota and leave structure apply. Commonly sponsored with the aid of an organization, valid for up to 2 years, and it is also renewable. 4. Enterprise. For overseas marketers who plan to begin and run a commercial enterprise in Singapore, calls for a business plan and funding information, valid for 1 to 12 months. First of all, renewable based on the commercial enterprise and performance. Last but not the least, personalized employment pass. For high income individuals already holding an employment pass, gives more process flexibility, not tied to a specific corporation, valid for 3 years, and it is non renewable. Eligibility standards for Singapore Working Visa 2025. Each visa kind has extraordinary eligibility requirements. Here is a breakdown of the trend eligibility and most common kinds. Employment skip. You must have a process offer from a Singapore based agency. You should earn a set month to month earning that meet the minimum requirements, adjustment annually. You ought to have identified qualifications along with a diploma. The role has to be in the government, managerial, or expert degrees. Next, as pass, you ought to have a task offer in a relevant industry. You have to earn a minimum salary, generally lower than employment pass. You need to maintain a degree, technical certificate, or applicable schooling. Your enterprise should meet quota requirements for escape holders. Next, working permit. You ought to be from an accepted country. The job ought to be in an area allowed under the permit scheme. The agency has to apply on your behalf. You should go through scientific screening and meeting age requirements. Requirements for the Singapore Work Visa 2025. The primary necessities to obtain a Singapore working visa include you have to have a confirmed process provider from a Singapore registered business enterprise. You ought to meet the minimal monthly earning requirements depending on your bypass type. Your qualifications must match the role being presented. You must be medically in shape and not have any disqualifying fitness condition. You must no longer have any criminal history. Your employer should apply for the visa on your behalf. If required, your employer should additionally provide housing or pay an overseas worker levy. Required documents for the Singapore Work Visa 2025. To use for a working visa, the subsequent documents are generally required. The precise files may vary depending on the type of workscape. Documents for employment, clean scanned replica of the non-public information web page of your passport, distinctive offer along with income, task title, task obligations and terms of employment, diploma certificates. Diplomas are different qualifications related to your subject of work. Preceding employment letters that display your applicable work experience. Latest color image as per Singapore's image suggestions. Evidence that hiring organization is registered and lively in Singapore. Additional documents for S-Pass are working allow. Clinical examination documents for a certain nationality, talent certificate or vocational qualification, evidence of housing arrangement, reproduction of in precept approval letters issued upon a successful application earlier than visa issue. Now let's talk about application method for Singapore Work Visa 2025. Follow these steps to apply for work visa. Step 1. Find a job in Singapore. You ought to first get a job offer from a Singaporean business enterprise. Without an employment offer, you cannot apply for maximum working passes. Step 2. The company applies for a work visa. Your agency is responsible for submitting your workscape application to Singapore's Ministry of Manpower. They will create an account on the MOM portal and upload the specified documents. Step 3. Pay the process fee. An application fee is paid throughout the submission process. This is normally paid through the corporation and the amount depends on the type of working visa being implemented. Step 4. Wait for approval. After submission, mom will assess your utility. If accepted, you may get hold of an in principle approval letter. This lets you go into Singapore and gather your working bypass. Step 5. Tour to Singapore. Once you acquire your IPA letter, you could travel to Singapore. You need to enter the country within the validity period noted at the IPA. Step 6. Scientific exam if required. You will be required to go through a medical examination in Singapore. The result must be submitted before you collect your work skip card. Step 7. Receive your work skip once all conditions are met. You will be issued a working skip card. This is your authentic permission to live and paint in Singapore legally. Validity and renewal of Singapore work visa. Working pass are normally valid for 1 to 2 years and can be renewed if the employment continues and eligibility situations are still met. Employment pass and escape pass holders can renew their passes online. Renewal programs have to be submitted at least 2 months before the current pass expires. Bringing family to Singapore. What about bringing family to Singapore? In case you maintain a work permit, you will be eligible to convey your family participants under the dependent spouse or long term go to bypass. Spouses and children under 21 can practice for a dependent pass. Other family members might also practice for a prolonged visit. Minimum income necessities follow for your own family sponsorship. Blessings of working in Singapore. Tax-friendly device with low private earning tax rates, smooth, safe, and organized surroundings. Get access to the pinnacle healthcare and training services. Easy to get entry to Southeast Asia and different parts of the world. Exact public transportation and infrastructure. Strong financial system and forex. Useful tips that may help you in your Singapore working visa process. Make sure all documents are whole and accurately translated if needed. Double test the salary requirements. Make sure the organization hiring you is legitimate and legally registered. Observe early to avoid delays. Hold a replica of the IPA and all submitted files and your information. Now let me answer your some common questions. What is the minimal revenue for an employment pass in Singapore? The minimum earning are subject to change every year. Popular, it ought to reflect the expert level of the job and the candidate's experience. Am I able to apply for working visa in Singapore without an activity offer? No. A legitimate job offer from a Singapore-based corporation is required for most work passes. How long does it take to apply for a Singapore visa? Processing time can range from 1 to few weeks for most work passes. Delays may additionally occur if extra checks are required. Can I transfer job with the same work visa? No. In case you change employers, your new organization ought to apply for brand new work pass for you. Can my spouse work in Singapore on a dependent pass? Sure, but they have to practice for a letter of consent or a separate work skill relying on their activity and qualifications. Is there a quota for hiring foreign workers in Singapore? Sure. For escape and work allow holders, employers should follow zone unique and quota and pay levies. What occurs if my visa software is rejected? You or your employer can appeal the choice. The rejection letter will cite the motives which should be addressed within the appeal. Singapore stays one of the best locations for specialists and professionals due to its robust economic system protecting an international manner of life. Understanding how the work visa procedure works in 2025 is vital to creating your adventure a success. Whether or not you apply for an employment as or some other work visa, make certain you examine all recommendations, meet the necessities, and provide the proper files. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.